So let's start by having a look at the datasets on the site. The front page lists some recently changed items at the bottom, but we can get a full list by clicking on Data here at the top. The listing shows that there are almost 800 datasets on the site. Many of these datasets come from existing data repositories such as UCI, libsvmtools, and Weka. In fact, one of the goals of MLData is to be a one-stop source for your data needs. By default, the datasets are listed such that the most recently added or updated are shown first, but you can easily select other criteria to sort by, for instance, the number of downloads or the number of views. Another useful way to browse the repository is to use the tags. Clicking on any tag will show up all the datasets that have been tagged with that word or that phrase. Of course, in some cases, you may already know what dataset you're looking for. In this case, the search function is convenient. In this demo, we will use the benchmark dataset termed banana. So this is a benchmark dataset from the IDA benchmark repository consisting of a total of 5,300 data points. And the system shows some basic information about the data in the data tab. And there are also fields where users can add some additional information about the data. So one of the key ideas of mldata.org is the ability to provide datasets in a variety of formats to fit the needs of researchers working on different platforms. Internally, the data is stored in the HDF5 format, which is a versatile binary file format for storing large datasets. However, mldata.org can convert the data on the fly to a variety of formats for convenient download. In this demo, I'll be using Octave, so let me download the dataset in its native format. So now I'll switch to Octave and open the data. So I'm just loading the data, and let's look at what we loaded. So there are two variables, there's the data and the labels. The data are just the 5,300 data vectors in 2 dimensions, and these are the corresponding binary labels. So let me plot this data so that we can see what it looks like. So here is the dataset. And as you can see, although the points are pretty well separated, there's definitely a bit of overlap between the classes. And so we're probably not going to get close to 100% on this task with any classifier, but we should be doing all right.